beautiful, isn't it?
Hey guys, so today we're going to be making ramen and we're going to be eating it and talking to you guys a little bit today. So yeah, let's do it. We're making two.
We got our num nums.
So we have
I am very hungry.
So we have the pan.
And Kylie, can you explain what we're doing outside?
We're making a rabbit trap. We want to have a pet rabbit.
And we have the cage set up out there. You see it?
Yeah, we have a little cage.
It's right there.
So yeah, it was a free cage across the road. So we decided what we're gonna do with it. So
yeah, here I'm gonna show you in a little bit. Hold on. Do you want to show them now?
no, not yet. We have to do it after we eat. Okay, come on. Okay, so what you're gonna do? You're gonna get a cup.
I know I'm ugly. Thank you. It's a very nice interaction.
Where the heck are my measuring cups? There they. No, that's not a measuring cup. Sorry everyone if I'm being boring.
Yeah, we couldn't do the Overwatch video because
Never mind. We're
Yeah.
using a measuring cup. We're using the cup. Okay.
we're using a cup.
So guys.
I am wasted. I approve of this message.
So we're gonna be using a cup. We can use any cup doesn't matter. We're gonna fill it up with water. It's just be normal water, cold, warm, hot, I don't care. So now
That looked pretty nice.
you're gonna add it into your pan. Probably need more than that, so I'm gonna get another cup full. I make ramen a lot.
Yeah, if you were to look at this in our view, it's actually pretty dark.
What? Cause I'm making ramen. I'll wash it. Okay, sorry for the interruption. It's okay, we're using this one. We'll be done soon. So you're gonna boil your water. We need salt. When this salt. Okay. We're just gonna add some salt in there, and we're gonna wait for the boil. As we wait, we're gonna go show you guys the rabbit trap.
Oh yeah, Kylie, we need lettuce. We need the food.
We need food. We're gonna get food for the rabbits so it attracts them.
Only a little bit lettuce, please. That's for Franklin. Ask grandma first.
Carrie,
She has to make lettuce because it's us and for Franklin. She's just thinking it's for the rabbits outside.
Ooh, carrot.
Look.
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Trying to break carrots.
Dude, I actually think that's enough. It'll last them for a little bit.
So now we're gonna get some lettuce.
And tie it to this one.
I'm going
This
to.
one.
So yeah.
See that? It's perfect because we have a string that's pretty thick. So the rabbit can nudge on it and carry it off, and then boom. What just happened, fellas?
So we probably shouldn't have this many carrots because what if he doesn't take the one that the string is on? He's not gonna get trapped in there. So just get rid of these two. We're just gonna take that. Okay. So guys, let's just take these out to the rabbits. Well, the rabbit that we're gonna catch. Loki, you're staying inside now. Okay. Loki! I'm sorry, everything. He doesn't know how to listen. Get inside! You are not coming out! God.
She treats her animals like that.
Because they don't listen. When they don't listen, they get treated like freaking rude. And they get yelled at because they don't know how to listen.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
Please don't call the feds on us. We are very sorry. We do not promote animal abuse.
Yeah, we don't abuse our animals. We just yell at them when they don't know how to listen and they're freaking retarded.
The only time we will hit them is if they pee on the floor and yeah.
Or if they bite someone.
Yeah. Those are the only times you can hit your animal.
Or if they try to run out and like if they get hit by a car. So, because if they run out, they could get hit.
Do you see a blue thing?
Oh, by the way, guys, I'm getting chickens and I'm very happy.
She said she's getting chickens.
I love chickens. They're so cute. Okay, so
Here's the rabbit trap.
it's time to both of these carrots. Okay, move.
Yeah.
Here, go that way. So yeah, we're gonna tie. We have this little string tied to a stick, and it's levering the thing up. And then when the rabbits go and chew on it and like drag it, the stick will move, and it will fall, and the rabbits will get trapped in the bin. So they're like, no, please, no. Oh, yeah, I just did that.
Yeah. So now you see what happens when you do.
Yeah, and I barely pulled on it too.
She barely. Let it.
Okay, so it's
Yum,
nice and
yum, yum.
Hold that. So we're gonna throw the carrots under there, so where when they pull it, it's gonna fall. Okay, put it down.
No. Lettuce.
So yeah, keep the lettuce in there.
Yeah, make sure it's not close enough to the sides to where they can like
Perfect.
reach in and snatch them.
So I'm pretty sure we have to do it like this, so then it falls inward. Perfect. I don't know if they're gonna pull it though. Okay.
Wait, it doesn't need to be inward, does it?
Yeah, it does, because it'll fall inward. Well, I mean, it doesn't, but like either way. It's better that way. Okay. Because it can fall on the stick outward and they can just go under.
Oh yeah, true.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna come back after we've done eating our ramen. I'll film now. So,
I can see my beautiful face.
so yeah, we're gonna come back and we are going to eat the ramen, and we're gonna see if the rabbit got trapped. I'm hoping it did, because I actually want to see a rabbit. I've actually caught a rabbit before in a trap, and it's scratched me. So, yeah. Go answer my brother, please.
Hello?
What? Oh my god. Every time. Sorry, guys.
It's just every time we film, isn't it?
Yeah, my brother is yelling at me. Really annoying. I know, it's annoying. What?
So, how's it going? How's it going? If you could relips. If you could relips, that was me saying, did you hear that?
There's a dead mouse on the porch. It doesn't go back on, so I mean.
Me!
That's gross.
Poor thing.
Ew, that's gross. Just gonna grab something.
That poor thing never stood a chance, did it?
Can you like scoop it in with a shoe or something? Not my shoe. That's my shoe.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry, guys. There's my freaking dog brought a dead mouse.
There. Poor thing never really stood a chance, did it?
Let's just throw it on the thing.
It's their problem now. Unless you guys see this video, I am sorry.
They're gonna blame that cat. That's pretty funny.
Yeah.
Be like, you fucking cat didn't even do it. Okay, guys. Let's check our ramen. Look, you're bad.
Ba-da-ba-ba-banana, ooh na na, ooh.
Okay, so it's boiling. Move.
Gorgeous, isn't it?
Put the panel back on.
I
Did
did.
you pick up the mouse?
Yes.
Throw it away?
Yes.
I'll bring an attitude.
Because we're trying to film a video. Grandma, can you please like stop yelling because we're trying to play a video? Whoa, well, stop calling me. Stop calling me. Yes, because we're trying to film a video. Okay.
Everywhere but nowhere at the same time.
So now Stop showing them random things. So I have ramen in. So we'll let that get steamy. What are you doing? Oh, I got something in my eye.
It's been 10 minutes long.
So, now we're gonna get bowls. Oh, why am I in the top cabinet?
Throw a couple of punchlines in there. We're being very boring. I feel like now we're just boring our viewers. I'm sorry, everybody.
Guys,
Please.
comment down below how to do a thumbnail because I don't know.
Please look it up for us. We're too lazy. I mean, we are very lazy. This morning when I said, I'm going to get up in 5 seconds. I counted to 5. I'm going to get up in 10 seconds. Yeah, I did that a lot.
I'm gonna get up in like 15 minutes.
2 years later.
Yeah?
Or milk.
Milk.
Okay.
You're wondering why this is blue. I'm giving you a blue sight on the ocean. Save the ocean, everybody. Everybody save the ocean. I promote this video. Da da da.
I want McDonald's.
Brrr.
Don't you want McDonald's?
I am making you go on a trip to outer
Does
space.
anyone want McDonald's?
Comment down below too if you want McDonald's.
And what do you want from McDonald's?
I choose chicken nuggets because you're never too old. You're never too old for chicken nuggets.
I want
Take a sip, everybody. Take a sip. Delicious, isn't it?
I want a Big Mac. Okay. So here's our ramen.
Looks pretty juicy.
Oh, by the way, we are filming on a phone, so
Boop.
looks pretty good. Let's get a fork.
Yeah, it's really hard for us to figure out all the mechanics to this.
Fork. Ooh, looking juicy in here. I'm like stirring it through the camera. It's funny. So.
Wait, you're actually stirring it?
Yeah, I was
in
looking
what-
through the camera. That was funny.
Oh my gosh.
I'm looking through the camera right now, stirring it. Am I doing good?
Yeah, you're doing pretty good.
Okay, now I'm not looking through the camera. So, I'm just gonna stir it up and get it all nice.
Comment down below what you want to see in our videos.
Okay, so now we're gonna get some stuff to add into our ramen. I wish we had mozzarella because mozzarella is so good in ramen.
And something for our milk.
So,
Here, I'll hold the camera for you.
oh gosh, we have ice cream too.
Ice cream, you scream, you'll scream for
Look
ice
at the
cream.
fog. Look at the fog. Okay, now.
Look at that
No.
sweet, sweet fog.
Okay, guys. What should we add in
And
our
it's all
ramen?
coming.
Lacey, would you pay attention? She doesn't pay attention very much. She gets distracted a little much.
I am. I do. Please. Ew. Not corned beef. Ew.
Ew. So, we're trying to find stuff to add into our ramen. Comment down below what you guys add in your ramen, because
I add nothing except for the packet.
we're
Yeah,
gonna
I
add
suck.
some lemon in there because it tastes really good with lemon in there. And also, Lacey, shut up. You don't know anything. Have you even tried it? No.
Yeah, you should. Yeah, I have.
Lies. She's lying. Trust you. And we're gonna add a little bit of sriracha, but it's not gonna be hot. We're not, because we're only adding a little bit. So. She's not telling the truth. Okay, just kidding.
I said yes, we are.
Well, I thought you said a little bit hot. Lies.
You think I'm a liar?
Who doesn't think you're a liar? You just have that face. Lacey, get over here. Lacey, don't let Loki out. He's just-
Loki. 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 Tina, come on. Oh my God. Alright. Come here, dumb dogs. Get in the freaking house! Get in the house! Come on, Dina. Oh, come on, baby bird. Come on, please. I'm just gonna leave that to her problem now. Hey, Kylie. You get Athena.
It's fine.
Told you it was her problem.
So what we're gonna do is, I learned this.
Look at that.
I learned this from someone. Move.
Mmm. Looks amazing.
So what you do? You get a spoon.
Oh, she's so happy. Daddy's little birdie bow. Her name is Audi. She's amazing. She's named after a car.
Hey, get out there right now and put the panel the way it was.
Trying. I can't get it
I
on.
don't care. Get off. Get back on.
I can't get it on. What do you want me to do? Perform a miracle?
Well, that would be cool. You can perform miracles.
I wish.
I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
Try not to get dizzy. You spin me right round, baby, right round, right round, right round. You spin me right
Now I'm gonna strainer.
round, right round. That was Lacey's dizzy moments, and I got dizzy from that. Howdy, babe. Howdy, babe. Come here, baby. Whoa. What do you think you're doing? Hey, hey.
So now you're gonna drain the ramen. You're gonna save some sauce. That's what
Loki, what are you doing?
You put French sauce in it?
Oh, come on, baby. Just
Come on.
set you guys out.
now. Got the sauce back in.
This is gonna hurt you guys just.
Lacey, did you pay attention over here?
Hi.
Okay.
All right, got it.
So what you're gonna add the sauces into your leftover chicken. All your sauces.
I am laughing.
So I hate taking a nap in the middle of the day though, because I feel like crap. I feel all bleh.
Ah.
Hi, baby. My mom?
You stir your little saucy. It sort of looks like rust on the camera. Look.
Yeah.
Does it all look like rust?
Now you're gonna add a little bit of lemon
We
juice.
swear it's not rust.
It's just sauce. Teeny bit of lemon juice.
Pretty sure you guys were selling ramen on the corner. Be like, we work for ramen.
You know what we
A
should
little bit
do?
of sriracha.
Kylie, you know what we should do? We should sell my eggs. My chicken eggs.
Oh my god. Your parents won't let you, right?
No, they will. She added that much.
Especially when you make money. But they'll be like half the profit. And it's like,
Yeah, but all the money goes to my mother.
You guys have a chicken outside.
Oh my god, that looks so much like rust.
okay.
And your eggs, because I want to know where that egg came from.
Came from my chickens.
But here, that's why you have to have chicken up there, so I can see a picture of your chicken.
A chicken butt.
What is that? Oh, that's me? Oh, that was weird.
Yeah.
I thought that was...
So you're gonna stir your
My
ramen
bowl.
with the juice. Lacey, we're not using the bowl. Smells really good right now. It smells spicy in here.
Oh yeah, it does. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells amazing.
It does smell good. Okay, now we're gonna get our 2 bowls. We're gonna add them into here.
What? Are we playing rock, paper, scissors on who gets what?
What do you want? What bowl? This one?
Yeah. I'm embracing everything I have and going to Hawaii one
Yeah,
day.
if we win the lottery, all of our families are going to Hawaii.
We're going to Hawaii if we win the lottery. Hawaii, we will soon be there. I'm sorry, I get really distracted. Hawaii. If I knew how to have a counter, then I would do a video on how many times I say ha-wee-wee. So far, I haven't counted. Is this supposed to be off, Kylie?
What? Oh yeah, turn that off. Flames will
Beautiful.
will light your eyebrows on.
Yeah, I felt like some steam, and I was like, what is that? And then I looked down, the fire's still going. This has been 20 minutes long.
It's okay. It's better like that. Okay, children.
Welcome to
Lucy,
Hoo-wee-wee.
grab a fork.
To Hoo-wee-wee.
And we need to put everything away.
We need a fork.
Okay, go set the camera. And don't eat yet.
See. Alright. Welcome to Hoo-wee-wee. I am your special reserved counterfeit badge. I'm here to take care of you whenever you're in need.
Lucy doesn't like cheese on her things.
Yeah, I don't like cheese in general.
So I'm going to be eating. Lucy, we only needed one fork.
What?
Scoot over.
Gosh.
So I'm gonna put a little cheese
So
on
we have
there.
an extra fork just in case we drop ours.
I will tell you about my incident with ramen once.
It was hilarious.
It was horrible. So,
Comment if
Don't
you guys
eat it.
can even see us.
hopefully they can. I'm hoping they can. I gotta chew. Does that look good?
This might look amazing. Yeah, it looks like regular
Comment
ramen.
below if you like ramen with cheese or ramen without cheese.
Ramen just plain.
I love ramen with cheese. It's so good.
My beautiful plain ramen or hers?
So let's take a bite and then I'll tell you the story.
Nom, nom. Why don't you tell them the story now?
Because we're taking a bite first and seeing how good it is. Is it spicy?
Just enough that I don't taste it.
That's good.
I'm
It's
very
actually-
picky about my spices.
It's actually really good. I love spicy things, so. Okay, let me take one more bite. Alright, so,
Milk!
so, one time I made ramen. It looked so good, and I got cheese out of the refrigerator. I read the date. It said the date was until next month, and I got the cheese, and I put it on my ramen, and then I smelt it, and it was moldy, disgusting cheese.
So they lied to us.
So I was about to throw up, so I just threw the whole bowl of ramen away because I was not going to eat that. It was gross. It smelled so bad. It was disgusting.
What did you put cheese in there, Kylie?
So, yeah.
Whenever we make macaroni, I'm always like the Iron Man to macaroni.
Hey, chill out on the milk, please.
Leave me alone. Nicole, why can't you leave me alone? Sorry for the interruptions. People are very rude today.
This always happens at her house.
Yeah, every time we film.
Only pour what you're gonna drink, please. Kylie got 2.5 glasses this morning.
I think it's good. Is it spicy? Are you on fire?
No, I was just really thirsty.
Mm.
Yes, I was on fire. It's just, yes.
Have you ever had the spicy ramen? That's good.
Your face. Look how cute you are.
Oh my god, look at that face. If you don't know the satellite come to my place. If you don't know what I said, I got the holy ramen.
But you just eat it. Okay, so yeah, we're having a sleepover tonight.
At my house.
And then tomorrow we're having it at my house.
We're gonna film the whole time at my house, right?
No, my battery will die.
We're gonna film not the whole time at my house, right?
And also, we're on spring break, so yeah.
Where's your kitty? You miss kitty?
Where are we sleeping in your house?
Living room.
Not in the fort. Last time my freaking hip was freaking killing me.
But I'm gonna sleep in a fort because I can.
Okay then.
Pillow fort. I have an obsession with pillow forts. Jesus.
What
Look
should we
how
talk
long.
about? What shall we talk about?
Something fun. Life experiences that happened that we didn't even mean to happen. Talk about the Disneyland one.
Disneyland.
Yeah, when you got lost.
Oh yeah. That was a while ago. Let's talk about the time
When we found our perfect tree.
no.
Well, not the perfect tree, but the funny thing that happened when we got our perfect tree. When we tripped over the hose.
Mm-hmm. So the first time
Ow!
we got, are you okay? We got into the tree and well, Lacey did because we didn't have the ladder at the time. And
Wait, we haven't introduced them. So we've shown you that really big tree that was like monstrous that leads over this house that we're standing in right now. Yeah, we sort of taken that as our own.
it's our tree now. And so Lacey was in a tree and she was in a tree and we didn't have a ladder, so she went to get down and she fell and scraped her arms. And then we found the ladder and
Here, let me just show you.
oh,
And this is 26 minutes long, but look, that goes from right there all the way to there.
yeah. So
And then there's one right here. Oh, somewhere right there. And right there.
yeah,
it hurt.
And then we found the ladder, and we both went to get down, and I tripped over the hose, and then when we were getting down, and the second time, Lacey tripped over the hose.
It was funny.
And yesterday, I was on a tree by myself, and I scraped the skin off my knee, and it really
She can't show
hurt.
you that because she's wearing jeans, and it
Yeah.
sucks to pull up jeans.
Mm-hmm.
I have a challenge for you. Hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, please love us. We are desperate.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
It helped a lot, guys.
We need the monies. We are not very rich.
We're not rich.
We're not like those know-it-all YouTubers like Jake Paul and Logan, who's surprisingly really nice. Logan and Jake.
Logan's okay.
Logan's okay. Jake
It's horrible.
can die in a pit.
No offense. Jake Paulers. But that's just us. That's our consideration.
Yeah, you don't.
Yeah,
you don't have to
that's our
like our.
opinion.
You don't have to like our channel. All you have to do is yeah, just subscribe, hit the like button, hit the like button, and turn on notifications. That's all you have to do. You don't have to watch our videos. All you have to do is go into them really quick, press the like, subscribe, done.
How do they do that though? They're not gonna watch videos. They're not gonna subscribe to them for no reason.
Just love us, please.
If you guys like us, you don't have to, but you know.
Howdy, word.
I said please like us.
Oh, no. Okay, so we're gonna end this video, guys.
Bye.
Hope you enjoyed us eating.
Hope you enjoyed us eating Fudo.
But we're going to end it now. I have stuff on my face, I know. I think. Bye.